Hi everyone, in this video I will explain how to implement parallel execution of nodes in LangGraph. So the example that you see on the screen, so these three nodes will be executed in parallel, not one after another or not in any sequence. So as soon as the input comes from the user, the input will go to the input will go to the state, and based on the requirement, the inputs will be consumed by all these nodes, but all three will be executed at the same time, and this will be executed only when all three have executed. So sometimes this might be taking more time than these two. So these two will wait until this is completed, and only then the aggregator will be executed. But these can return output in any order, but execution will start all at the same time. So let's see through a notebook how to implement this, although it is very, very simple to execute, but let's see. So first we will import all the necessary libraries. Then we will initialize our LLM. Here I'm using Grok API because it is free. To understand how to use Grok API for free for any kind of LLMs, Vision LLM or Text LLM, please check out the link in description. Then we initialize and then we define our state. The state will have these fields: topic, which will come and as input from the user, the joke, story, poem, and a combined output. So basically these three nodes, LLM1, LLM2, LLM3, are designed to generate three different type of things all at the same time based on the topic provided by the user. So LLM1 will generate a joke, LLM2 will generate a story, LLM3 will generate a poem, and this one will simply combine the output. Okay, so let's define our state. Now the nodes. So LLM call 1, simply we will say write a joke about this topic. Okay. LLM call 2, we will say write a story. LLM call 3, we will simply say write a poem about, and we will save them in the respective fields. Okay. The aggregator, here we are using again an LLM call, write a story, joke, and poem about this. Okay, so here is a story, joke, and poem about this topic. These are the three generated information by the three LLM calls running before this, and keep it combine it, keeping all the output separate. So this is simply just combine it in its own way, and we will save the output in the combined output field. So these are all the nodes. Let's build our graph. So just we add all these nodes, LLM call 1, 2, 3, and aggregator. Then LLM call 1, 2, and 3 will be connected to start. So as soon as the graph starts, all three will be called. Then all three will be connected to aggregator. Basically, when all three get completed, only then the aggregator will be called. And after aggregator, it will end. Okay, so we just compile it here, and we can display the graph also. So this is the same graph that I showed in the beginning of the video. Now, when we try to run this, here also I'm trying to stream to show how each node is getting executed. If you see, so these are coming in this order just because this one got completed first, then this one got completed, then this one got completed. And aggregator, if you could see, was only run after all these three got completed. So this is a very, very simple example. Although this process also is very simple, we simply have to connect all three with the same input node. So here our input node itself is start, but it can be something else also. And it should be all be connected to same output. It can be connected to different also, but to understand the functionality, it is better to connect it to the same node. So we understand that, okay, this will be executed only when these three are completed. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please let me know in comment section what other videos you would like to see. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.